Look at that clear slime. Look how perfectly clear that slime is. Clear slime, everybody, that you can eat. Hey Slime Squad, today we're making clear water slime you can eat. That's right, I said you can actually eat this slime. It's amazing! Okay guys, so the first thing we need is a measuring bowl that will hold 4 cups of water. As you can see here, there's my 4 cup mark. So now I'm gonna fill this up with water. All right, now I've got my 4 cups of water. I'm going to transfer this to another bowl. Now I'm going to set that bowl to the side. Okay, now I'm going to use something called calcium lactate. This is something that you can just order online. It's not hard to get. They sell it on Amazon. And it's used in cooking, totally safe to eat. Tastes like water. You can see how it's a real fine powder in there. Okay, next I'm gonna take a scale and I'm just gonna put a piece of paper on here. Get my scale ready. Now I'm gonna measure out 5 grams of my calcium lactate. I went over. Perfect, there's my 5 grams. And I'm gonna take my water, and now I'm gonna add my 5 grams of calcium lactate to it. And then I'm just gonna stir it in. Okay, looks like that's about it. There's a little bit down in there, but I think that'll be okay. All right, I'm gonna set this to the side again. Okay, next I need a 1 cup measuring spoon, and I'm gonna go get 1 cup of water in this. Now for our water, we need a blender. You don't have to use a blender, but you could do it by hand, but it would take you longer, or you could use a little hand immersion blender. Okay, I'm gonna take my cup of water and dump into the blender. Now I'm gonna set my blender to the side for just a minute. I'm going to get my scale back out. Now I'm gonna use what is called sodium alginate. This is another thing used, another powder used for cooking, so this is totally safe again. And then you can just one gram isn't much, so I'll have to be kind of careful here. Now I'm going to add that to my water in the blender. All right, I think we're good and blended, and we are ready to make our clear slime that we can eat. Now I'm just gonna pour that into another bowl. Okay, so here's our sodium alginate mixture, and I actually did this off camera. This is 4 cups instead of 1 cup, so that I'd have plenty to make slime with. Okay, so here's our sodium alginate, and here's our calcium lactate. A lot of big words. All right, now here comes the cool part. I'm gonna take a ladle and go into this mixture and drop it down in this one and let it set. So I'm gonna get a scoop of that with my ladle, bring it over to this one, and I'm just gonna drop it down in there real slow. Now it looks like I don't even have anything in there. I'm gonna dump out what you cannot even see. Ooh, I can see it's coming together. You can't even see anything in there. It just looks like plain water. There's nothing in there. Oh, check that out. Check that out. Look at that clear slime. Look how perfectly clear that slime is. You see how clear that slime is? Now watch this. Tastes like water. That's water slime you can eat. Okay, I'm gonna put some more in there. You can actually do this slower and you can be more careful and you can make like perfect little balls of liquid, but I want mine to be slime. Oh, look at that. Look at this clear slime. This is crazy. That is amazing. There's my clear slime. Clear slime, everybody. That you can eat. That's the most refreshing slime I've ever eaten. I'm just gonna put a bunch in there. Look at that. That is crazy. That is so, look, it's totally clear. It's totally clear. Can you guys see that? I hope you can see what I'm seeing. I hope you can see how clear it is. And then you can take that clear slime and then you can just eat it up.